All right, ready. Okay, go, Caleb, go dance with brother.
No.
Look up at the sky, stars shining bright. Look at how the glisten, lighting up the sky. It shines for you, it shines for me. And the love will last for all eternity. Remember?
Not listening.
Remember to shake it that Daniel Andreas showed you how to do? And Michelle? Merry Christmas, everybody!
Merry Christmas, everybody.
We love you. We miss you.
Everybody, and to good night.
Awesome. And so you can see, there's my burnt hand.
Me see.
Not that bad.
Yep.
Yeah. Should we go see the Christmas tree? And have Caleb say Merry Christmas to you guys? What? Say it again. Caleb, can you look at me when you say it? Look. Okay, now say it. Okay, well we have an almost 2-year-old, almost 4-year-old. Santa Claus was very good to us, and so was our family. Beautiful Christmas tree. We got a train, and look at all the presents. Train that we got. Santa Claus brought. Makes good old train noises. And here's all our glory. What do you guys tell everybody in Idaho? Hello?
What?
You want to tell them thank you and Merry Christmas, and we love them and miss them?
Thank you. Merry Christmas. I love you, everybody. Happy March.
Caleb, what do you say?
Thank you.
You want to tell them Merry Christmas too? Can you look at me and say it? Caleb? Can you look at me and say Merry Christmas? Alright. Can you say bye? Love you. Can you blow a kiss? Good job. Alright, guys. Kaden, what do you say?
Thank you. Goodbye.
What else? Merry Christmas. We love and miss you. Look at me.
We love and miss you. Goodbye.
Alright, well that's trying to keep the attention of a 2-year-old, almost a 2-year-old, and a 4-year-old. Christmas time, with all the toys to play with. They're all busy. And we'll go over here where Daddy is so we can say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Alright?
Alright, bye.
And I'll do the handoff. Merry Christmas. Love you. Okay, bye.